fighting over one district's new bus policy. Parents say some kids are being packed onto buses, while others are forced to take a dangerous walk to get to school. The school board is addressing those issues, and Newscenter 7's Kate Bartley went to last night's meeting. She joins us live now after talking to parents. Kate?
I've been to quite a few school board meetings, and I saw something at Tecumseh that doesn't usually happen. Parents came to the school angry, and many of them left feeling a lot better. The school board says that's because a lot of what they were hearing were rumors.
The meeting started off pretty tense. But by the end, no one was shouting.
Do you feel like your concerns were at least somewhat answered?
Yes.
Tonight, yes.
Parents say they came here after hearing about crowded buses from other parents. Much of the frustration was fueled by this photo shared on social media. It looks like a little girl is sitting in the bus aisle.
Just seen a lot of stuff on Facebook, and I wanted to kind of get the facts.
I've heard that there was like 75 kids on a bus and there's only 72 limit.
I think a lot of it is gossip.
Superintendent Brad Martin says he can't address this photo until someone's willing to say which bus it is. He regularly reviews surveillance tapes and says he's never seen a student without a seat, though he knows buses are crowded.
We're looking at trying to reduce those down and move some of those kids onto a bus that has less kids. We prefer below 60, but we do what we can.
We're just getting to the point where we are running out of options.
Board member John Stafford says he graduated Tecumseh in '95. The last year, the district passed a levy for new operating money. Parents seem to understand these cuts are difficult.
I feel like I have a lot more knowledge now.
The board and most parents say they're hoping the November levy passes, so all this is moot and busing goes back to the way it was last year.
They're in a pickle.
The superintendent told us he can't review all the bus tapes, but if any parent calls with a concern about a specific bus and time, he'll make sure he watches that surveillance. Live in the News Center, I'm Kate Bartley, News Center 7.
Deputies in